Imagine automating your messaging campaigns in minutes. No stress, just results. That's SMSrush for you. Step 1. Sign up on SMSrush.net, a quick and hassle-free process to get started. Step 2. Connect your WhatsApp account. Click on Hosts in the left sidebar menu. Then WhatsApp and click on Add Account in top right corner. Scan the QR code using Link Device feature in the WhatsApp setting in your phone. You can edit the account setting by clicking the pencil icon if you want to control the sending speed. Step 3. Create contact groups and import all your contacts in bulk using an Excel file. You can download the sample file for the supported format. No more manual entry. Step 4. Create your campaign under WhatsApp in the left sidebar. Click on WhatsApp, then Campaigns, and then click on Bulk in the top right corner. Personalize your messages and create dynamic versions with our Spintax feature. That's it! In just a few clicks, send thousands of messages effortlessly. SMSrush offers a forever free plan that lets you send up to 40 messages per day at no cost, allowing you to explore and test all the platform's features before upgrading to a paid plan. To choose a paid plan, simply click on Packages in the dashboard, select the plan that suits your needs, and enjoy the convenience of monthly plans with daily resetting message limits. Plus, with SMSrush, you can personalize every message to connect better with your audience. Use the Spintax feature for message variations, schedule campaigns for perfect timing, create auto-reply chatbots for instant customer engagement. And the best part? It's a web-based tool. No need to install anything on your PC. Access it anywhere, anytime. Ready to revolutionize your marketing? Sign up now on SMSrush.net and try it for free. Don't wait. Take your business to the next level today. SMSrush. Automate, personalize, scale.